जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं कि इस वर्ष हम अपने भारत की स्वतंत्रता की 75 वर्ष पूरे होने को सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं और ये हमारा लगातार जो कार्यक्रम आयोजित हो रहे हैं उसी क्रम में ये कार्यक्रम और आपके बीच में है। मैं हमारे अतिथियों का अभिवादन करने के लिए, स्वागत करने के लिए सबसे पहले अखिल भारतीय कांग्रेस कमेटी के जो महासचिव हैं और 75वीं वर्षगांठ को मनाने के लिए जो कमेटी बनी है उसके समन्वयक हैं श्री मुकुल वासनिक जी, उनसे मैं अनुरोध करूंगी कि श्री मणिशंकर अय्यर जी को बुके देकर उनका स्वागत करें। इसके पश्चात मैं श्री मनीष चतरथ जी से अनुरोध करूंगी कि प्रोफेसर पुरुषोत्तम अग्रवाल जी को बुके देकर उनका स्वागत करें। अब कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं श्रीमती दीपा दास मुंशी जी से अनुरोध करूंगी कि वो कृपया स्वागत भाषण आप दे करके इस कार्यक्रम की विधिवत शुरुआत करें।
Good evening. This year, our country is celebrating the 75th anniversary of India's independence. Indian National Congress, under the leadership of Srimati Sonia Gandhi ji, she has also constituted committees, and we are also, on behalf of our party, we are also celebrating many programs throughout the year. Today is the birth anniversary of a nationalist, humanist, social democrat, freedom fighter, an author, a statesman, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born in 1889, studied in Harrow School, London, then Trinity College, Cambridge, and finally did his law from the Inner Temple, London. As a barrister, he returned to India in 1912 and enrolled himself in Allahabad High Court, where he started his practice. But his passion was India's freedom. And he was deeply interested in this freedom, and he was influenced by Mahatma Gandhi ji and his path of truth and non-violence. He started his fight with other freedom fighters. He went to jail for many times. From there, he wrote the most magnificent book, The Discovery of India. And he also wrote 30 letters to his beloved daughter, Indira Gandhi ji, where he wrote about the rich heritage, the cultural and social heritage of India, and also the importance of the freedom fighting. In 1929, he was given the responsibility as a president of Indian National Congress. And from there, he took the pledge of complete independence, Purna Swaraj, against British rule. 15th August, India got independence. He became the first Prime Minister. That time, India was in great difficulty. One side, the partition, the refugees, the food crisis, the economic imbalance, the famine in Bengal, mass killing, and the entire world was looking towards India that how India will survive. Nehru ji took that pledge. He started building up the country. He laid the foundation of democracy. Under his astute leadership and global vision, we achieved progress and prosperity. He made India the pioneer of non-aligned movement in the world. He made the way for green revolution so that the food crisis will finish. And he also started the dream of Panchayati Raj. The 5-year planning was also constituted, and it came as a form of economic autonomy. He was a pioneer of modern India. He also loved children, so he gave emphasis to studies from primary school to the higher study. The IIT, AIIMS, IIM, all the big institutions was constituted at his tenure, in his era. And then one side, it is education, on the other hand, industry. Example, ISRO. Infrastructure, the dam like Vakra. He was a true statesman. बच्चों को इतना प्यार करते थे कि उनके जन्म दिवस को, उस तिथि को हम बाल दिवस के रूप में मानते हैं. He used to say, children are the future of tomorrow. We always see him. The बच्चे उनको बुलाते थे चाचा नेहरू. And that image is in front of us. A man standing with a black band gala coat and a red rose on his pocket of his jacket. जो कोट पहले से उनके नाम से जाना जाता था, नेहरू कोट, आज बड़ी दुख के साथ ये बोलना पड़ रहा है, वो कोट का नाम भी बदल गया, किसी और का नाम उसके साथ जोड़ दिया गया. He was Prime Minister for 17 years. And he left us 67 years back. लेकिन आज भी कुछ लोग उनके नाम को बदनामी करते हैं, कहते हैं कि नेहरू जी देश के अच्छे प्राइम मिनिस्टर नहीं रहा. Some people want to defame him, abuse him. But one thing we must understand, that if he is so irrelevant, then why his name is still being used after 67 years? His ideological opponents are still discussing his name. He has been mocked, he has been downgraded, abused. There must be obviously a reason. And the reason he constituted India, it was his dream, it was his vision. And now today, there is no dream, no vision for our country, only to sell it out. इसीलिए मैं नेहरू जी की बातों से एक कोट करना चाहती हूँ. आई कोट, अब तस्वीर के चेहरे दीवार की तरफ मोड़ के इतिहास का रुख नहीं बदल सकते. हम इतिहास नहीं बदलने देंगे. टुडे वी शुड टेक एन ओथ ऑन द बर्थ सेरेमनी ऑफ पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू दैट हम इतिहास को बदलने नहीं देंगे, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. हम लड़ेंगे टू द एक्सट्रीम, टू द लास्ट ब्रीथ. वी शुड फाइट and we should fight. We should raise our voice. मैं नेहरू जी के सबसे बेहतरीन जो स्पीच है, उनसे 2 लाइन आप लोगों को याद करने के लिए बोल रही हूँ. you must recall